Welcome guys, so today I am with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 and I'm gonna show you how you can answer a call with this earbuds. So the first, you have to be sure that on the Huawei AI Live application you have this gesture set up. Pinch once to answer or end the call, and it works for the left and the right the same. So what do you have to do right now? I'm gonna cover this sensor because without that I will be unable to use it. So maybe like this. And right now I'm gonna make a call. And we have to just pinch once to answer or end call. Just wait a little bit. There it is. As you can see, it works, so I can answer, and if I want to end, just do the same. And that's how it works on the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.